What we have here is a tool review of the Pittsburgh 37-piece combination impact sockets. It's a 3/8 drive and 1/2-inch drive. It's SAE in metric. The item number is 68011. It is sold by Harbor Freight. It has a lifetime warranty on it, and comes in a blow molded case. Had it for about a year now, a little over a year. I'm going to tell you some of the things that I like about it, and a few of the things that I did to improve it. First off is I took and highlighted the sockets so you could read them better. It's very difficult to read them. At the end of the video I will show you how I did that with some whiteout and a little brake clean on a rag. And I also highlighted the numbers on the blow molded case. There are 19 1/2-inch drives, and the rest are 3/8 drive. There are two extensions, one 3/8 and a 3-inch extension at a 1/2-inch. There also is an adapter to go from 3/8 to a 1/2-inch if you only have a 3/8 impact gun. One of the things I noticed right away after using them is the metal seems very soft. I don't know if the camera's picking this up very well, but the back ends get to be a little bit deformed, and I had used this socket here to hammer on it, and it had mushroomed out. I ended up grinding the mushroom off and then taking a Sharpie marker and then putting the black coating back on, but yeah, the metal is very soft. I've only had them for about a year. In comparison, I do have an American made socket here, and I've had this one for 6 years, and it does have a little bit of mushrooming on the back, so maybe that's more typical of the type of alloy they are. But overall, for the price, it is a very affordable. It is under $30 US for this set. The other drawback that I don't like is there's a lot of sizes that are skipped, and there is some of the SAE ones will substitute for the metric ones, and I would have liked to see a more complete set without so many skips. Again, like I said, for $30, I'm pretty well pleased with what I have here. Probably not the best quality, yet it'll get you through if you don't use it on a daily basis. Hope you find this video helpful. It's difficult to read the numbers on there of what size it is, so I used whiteout and filled in the voids and wiped it off with some brake clean on a rag to make it stand out better.